Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can write a review on Tripadvisor. So a Tripadvisor is an app where you can share and explore the travel reviews, photos, and more. Here you can also get a guidance about traveling, and if you want to help another travelers by writing a reviews of a certain place, a certain hotel, or also a certain place to travel, you can use this TripAdvisor, and here is how you can do it. First, if you don't have the app, you can install it first on the Google or App Store, and then here you can just install it on your phone, the TripAdvisor. And now you can just tap on open to start exploring the app. Okay, so here is the TripAdvisor homepage, and to start writing a review, you can just go to your account, click on account at the bottom, and then click on your profiles. Okay, so here is the my profile. You can just scroll down, and in here you can see there will be this option, write your first review. But if you already have writing a review in the past, you can just click on this to write your review. Now you can just search for the place or the thing that you want to review. For example, here I'm going to find a hotel in here. Okay, this place I have stayed in the place, for example, and you want to leave some review. How would you rate the experience? You can choose from 1 to 5. Just choose, for example, I'm going to go with 4, and in here it means very good. And what kind of visit was this? Business, couple, family, friends, or solo? I'm going with my family, so I'm going to click on family. And then when did you visit? For example, I visited it last month. You can click on it, and here tap on next. Then you can just write your review in here. For example, I'm going to just the hotel was great. For example, it was clean and the staff are friendly. Okay, for example, like this, you can tap on done. Oh, okay, you must be at least writing 200 characters, so I'm going to just click on continue writing and then just write again in here. Okay, I've already done writing the review. You can just tap on done after that, and in here you can also write a title for this review if you want to. With experience, I'm going to just write that. Now tap on done again and click on next, and in here you can also find leave some any helpful tips for future travelers if you want to, but if you're not, you can skip this. And then you can also share some photos of your visit if you have one, but this is optional, so you can just skip this part. And then you can tap on submit, click on accept. Now my review has been submitted, and in here you can just go back here. You can see the your review again if you want to. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.